Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 6S Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find your language and tap on it. So let me choose maybe Greek, just tap. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, as I think I prefer English. So again, find the language, tap on it, and basically this is it, it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.